Hi guys, how are you all doing today? I quickly want to give us the stories behind Mr. Lampard being sacked at Chelsea. It came to our notice and we heard it that Mr. Lampard has lost the dressing room in the sense that he's having some issues with some of the players. There are some of the players that they are not in good is not in good time with. They are not in good time with each other. Like Rudiger, Aspilicueta is having issue with Rudiger. Rudiger is having issue with Mr. Lampard. Likewise, we are being informed that Aspilicueta and Rudiger they exchange words verbally with each other in the training, which is not how to be. To an extent that Mr. Lampard is not talking at all. It's not talking at all with Kovacic. Kovacic has been a wonderful player, a good midfielder that can move for ball very fast forward. But Mr. Lampard, we don't know what happened between them. The two of them, they are not in talking terms. They've not been talking to each other. To now worsen things, Kovacic and Rudiger, they went to the management. They went to the board to explain their opinion, what has been going on, what is transpiring between them and Mr. Lampard, their coach. How can you be a coach and you are not talking to your players? It's unheard of. It's not good enough. So those things are the things that the management they heard about. After hearing it, then they just come to the conclusion that we think Mr. Lampard should go, because if he's having some issues with his players behind the scene, imagine your player that is playing for you, you are not talking with him, then you expect him to perform nicely. No, it's not, it can never be. So those are the reasons. Some other reasons, let's forget about the incompetency, let's forget about the tactical, that he doesn't know how to change the tactics, the formalities, he can't speak, he can't instruct them right from the touchline, like I said in the earlier video. Those things, they are also one of those things that is causing problem. But I just want us to understand that Mr. Lampard, though he's a legend there at Chelsea, but at the same time, it's not bigger than the club. The club itself is having the hierarchies, you have the management, the board of directors that need to meet together. Then they just look, instead of us losing this set of players, instead of us missing all these good players that we have, it's better. We understand that Mr. Lampard is a legend there at the club. But at the same time, we cannot afford all this bunch of talents that we bought and they are performing. But under Mr. Lampard, we can see that they are not performing. Some of them, they look lost on the field. When they are playing, they look lost. They don't even know what to do. Like Werner, everyone is well rated all over the world that is a good player. But getting to under Mr. Lampard, it's not performing well. It's not performing up to the expectation of people. So they just look at it that instead of us losing this, then it's better we let go of Mr. Lampard. So I will come with another story. Wait for me. Just today, there's a story cooking behind the scene. Then I will come to let you know. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do share. Leave your comment. Let me know your opinion. Is it good? What am I saying? Just try to let me know. Tell me your own comments in your comments below. Leave them there. Let me see what you are thinking about what I'm doing. Maybe it makes sense or it doesn't make sense. Just let me know. Then from there I will upgrade. Thank you so much for watching. See you some other time.